Vol trading is closed on December 16, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Looked for higher prices, which we got. Had some targets, we got them. I'd like to show you today's patterns, but having computer issues and I won't download the data. Let's just say that everything's already been satisfied. Here was the call, and tomorrow has the early low. Still looks like we're in a wave 3 up with further to go. Doesn't tell us what'll happen tomorrow. Well, we've hit this resistance from this yellow trend line. Usually when you rally to a trend line like that, you either gap over it, or for tomorrow at least, the trend line wins. And if you don't gap over it and you do trade over it, it tends to return to the trend line. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Typically it's after an hour or two of trading. It's usually a high in the final hour. If you can avoid an early drop, the day tends to be positive. If you drop big early, it should carry through beyond tomorrow. Trendline resistance, the high a day, gapped up, hit a higher high, but couldn't hold it at the close. All we have to do to keep the rally going is to gap over this high. That's all we have to do. It isn't that far away. These are negative patterns. The bulls need to gap over the high. If they don't, we should trade lower tomorrow. It doesn't mean we'll close lower unless we drop big early. But if the rally is going to continue, you want to gap over that. Regardless of what happens tomorrow, this rally isn't over. But if we drop big early and can't get over these highs, we might have a little trouble on the downside tomorrow. We'll see if we can manage to do that, and that's today's call.